Hi friends, let's see how concurrent hash map works internally. By default, the concurrent hash map size is 16. With that, it will create an array of 16 nodes of empty objects, are also called segments. Default concurrency is also 16, means it will allow 16 threads at a time to write. It will find the hash code for a key. This can be used to determine the location of node from 16 nodes. Whenever it is trying to put the value, it will synchronize that particular node only and put the value so that other nodes can be allowed to write or read by other threads. So it will improve the performance of concurrent hash map. If there is a same hash code exists, it will use the equals method to find the correct position in the linked list. So the node is a kind of linked list. It has internally the next method. So if there is multiple hash codes are same, so it will link to the internally to the node. So whenever it is trying to find out, so it will loop internally and find the next node if it is not found, and it find internal nodes again and again until it find the check the equals object if the values are matched. Next, while adding the value, it will also check only if option flag if we provide. If it is true, if the value is already exist with the key, then it won't overwrite. Means suppose if there is a value already exist in for the key which you provided, and you want, if there is a value already exist, we don't want to overwrite the existing value, so that we have to specify to the concurrent map. So you have to specify the flag if option flag, so that will be available put value method. But in the put method we will provide only key and value, but put value method we can specify also whether to override or not if the values already exist. The put method internally also calls the put value method by passing the false for this flag. Next, the concurrent hash map also return the old value if it exists. If it exists, else it return a null value. So concurrent hash map is fail-safe in nature, means while iterating the hash map, we can also modify or add the value. Normally, the fail-safe collections will throw a concurrent modification exception whenever it is we are trying to add in the iteration. So concurrent hash map is good to use when there is a less write operations and more read operations. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me so that I can create more videos. Thanks.